On September 19th, 2025, at approximately 5:06 p.m., Columbus police officers attempted a traffic stop on a dark-colored Volkswagen SUV. Instead of pulling over, the driver sped into a nearby apartment complex, abandoned the vehicle, and took off on foot. During the chase, an officer saw the suspect holding a firearm and gave multiple repeated commands to stop and drop the weapon. The suspect eventually pointed the gun at the officer, who responded according to his training, firing and striking the suspect multiple times.
No.
Red trucks, I'm gonna go to them. Get that Ford Edge Silver headed towards you right now.
They get us stuck in traffic here.
They looked older. You still want it? Oh yeah, they looked real nervous when I drove by.
Where you at now? Southbound first.
Northbound.
Sorry, northbound. And northbound, contact the street.
This off just jumped out of traffic.
Oh, here we go. Perfect.
Okay, we're not gonna pursue this vehicle, but you get to the area and chop her. Yeah.
They're bailing.
Westbound, Versailles! Let me see your fucking hand! I will shoot you! She's got a gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! I will shoot you! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Put the gun down! Drop it! 10-3, shots fired.
Shots fired, 10-3. Shots fired.
Don't reach for the gun!
Do not reach!
Do not move! Do not move! Get the gun, let's get him cuffed! Cuff him up!
Leaving.
Taking one into custody now.
Copies.
Go get some medical aid, shut all this down. Where are you headed?
My fucking leg! No!
Let's get some. Don't touch it. Get a tourniquet on him. His right leg, left leg. Cut him off. Stay right there. Do not fucking move. You gotta go back up. Hey, I'm not gonna ask. Do your job. Do your job. Watch.
Hey!
What do you need? You're good. You're good. Let's cut these
Hey, the car back there. The car.
Friend, you got shears to cut these off? You got shears to cut these off? To make sure. Are you shot in your other leg? Are you shot in your other leg?
Yes!
Okay, another tourniquet.
Get back!
He said he shot in this one too. He got
Low leg.
I got you.
Keep the crowd off of us, please. Get scene tape off immediately and get everybody to fuck away from it.
Go to hospital!
Back up! Back up!
I need officer support right now, too.
Officer support?
You want to just take him?
On the fucking ground, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hands!
I got my driver's license. What is going on?
They're running northbound on
I got my driver's license. Would you like to see my driver's license? I don't have nothing on me.
My partner's running northbound.
I don't know. She got a gun. I don't know. We didn't do
Hey, stay back!
10-3, 10-3.
10-3,
On the fucking ground. Do not reach! Do not reach! Do not reach! Do not move! Get back! Start us at 24. 35.
Oh! My fucking leg! No! Oh! 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 No! Come on! Ah! Ah!
Stay right there and do not fucking move. You gotta go.
Back there! Hey, I'm not gonna have to say hey.
Out of the car. Hey!
What do you need?
Shut down the road. Right there, we're coming in the first
Hey,
time.
got the car back there.
Friend, you got shears to cut these off? You got shears to cut these off? To make sure are you shot in your other leg? Are you shot in your other leg? Yes! Okay, another thing.
He shot low leg. It's low leg.
I got you.
Right, coming in. Keep the crowd off of us, please. Get team hip hop immediately. Get everybody the fuck away from us.
Back up!
35, 12 guys. Now. Need officer support right now, too, please. Copy any officer support. 7651, we're going officer support. I got it, one right now, actually. We're good on that. Copy, good on officer support.
Hang tight, bro.